now. And after Times Now's relentless reportage on the issue, the developer, this is now what we are talking about, that has been forced to take action, has now taken down the controversial poster. This is now coming at a time when this controversy is erupted on the case of a controversial poster that you can see on a housing project that was sought to be divisive in nature. Let's get in a word from Rucha now. Rucha, when it comes to such kind of advertisements that have been going across, exactly when it comes to a certain community, what is that action now that has been taken upon as far as this controversial poster is also concerned?
Well, now after the developers have themselves taken out the posters that they had put, and this was the first time where such kind.
Well, not having that clear line with Rucha, but it seems that the NHRC is now Maharashtra government also to inquire into when it comes to this divisive posters that were put across, as far as when it comes to the allegations that have now been raised over religion-specific township project in Maharashtra seems to have embroiled in a controversy over the concept of Sabka Saath that seems to be being undermined. Let's take a look exactly what has happened in Raigad district. Barely 100 kilometers from Mumbai, this is a housing project that seems to be wooing a particular community. This is an upcoming housing project near the Rilal area in Raigad district in Neral. What has now been said that there were advertisements and posters that were put up where religious imagery was being used. Now this project seems to be promoting halal environment, and this has become now a political issue, with the Mahayuti now calling it as a Ghazwa Hind bid. Now before we get to the politics, let's show you exactly a ground report suggesting when it comes to the controversy surrounding this divisive poster.
मुंबई से सटे नेगल में एक रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट अपने एडवर्टीजमेंट की वजह से विवादों में है। मैं इस वक्त नेगल के उसी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पर हूं जहां पर ये सुकून एम्पायर नाम का प्रोजेक्ट है, जिसकी यहां पर लॉन्च होने वाली है। अभी यहां पर काम शुरू नहीं हुआ है, कोई सैंपल फ्लैट तैयार नहीं है, लेकिन विवाद है इसकी एड को लेकर। सोशल मीडिया पर जो एक एड वायरल हो रहा है जिसे लोग काफी ट्रोल भी कर रहे हैं, उस एड में बताया गया है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये इशारा दिया गया है कि ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए ही है। यहाँ पर आपको हलाल फ्री आपको फैसिलिटीज मिलेगी, एम्यूनिटीज मिलेगी। और इसके बाद में जो है अब इसमें राजनीतिक विवाद भी जो बढ़ने लगा है। कई सारी जो राजनीतिक पार्टियां हैं वो भी इसमें आरोप लगाने लगी हैं कि क्या ये गजवा हिंद की साजिश रची जा रही है, कैसे इस्लामिक स्टेट बनाने की साजिश की जा रही है, सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए ही कोई रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट जो है कैसे बनाया जा रहा है।
Now, my colleague Rakesh also had a word with the sales team member exactly how they have been justifying attempts to target a particular community and not look upon it as divisive or even a violation of human rights. Listen in.
सुकून रेसिडेंसी जो है हमारा एक पहला प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है, वो 2 साल पहले हमने वहाँ पे काम शुरू किया था। तो सुकून रेसिडेंसी के अंदर जब ये स्टेज था, अर्ली स्टेज था, जब काम शुरू नहीं हुआ था, तब हम लोगों ने ये नहीं सोचा था कि हम भाई मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को ही देंगे, राइट। लेकिन वहाँ पे डिमांड, लोकेशन और एरिया, तो वहाँ पे जिन जिन लोगों की बुकिंग्स हुई वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सारे अपने वाले थे। अच्छा, कम से कम एक बिल्डिंग के अंदर 60 to 65, 70% सारे अपने वाले आ गए। तो फिर हम लोगों ने ये सोचा कि भाई बाकी का 30% भी हम हमारी ही कम्युनिटी को दे।
अच्छा, तो मतलब जैसे अभी ये अपना जो प्रोजेक्ट पे काम हुआ है रेसिडेंसी पे, तो अगर आगे चल के भी मुमकिन यही है कि गुंजाइश है कि ज्यादा बुकिंग जो अपनी हो तो फिर यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही हो जाए ना, एम्पायर में भी।
बिल्कुल, इसीलिए जी बिल्कुल।
Well, Rucha, if you can hear me now, exactly what has been the impact that we are now looking at this big exclusive news break that was broken here on the Times Network, exactly when it comes to the divisive advertisement that was being done by this said developer.
Times Now first investigated a case, a project that was being built in Neral, Matheran of Raigad area, and after that came out many such projects have come out where similar kind of advertisements have been shared. And one case from Mira Road has also come out where similar kind of advertisement of dedicated space for Muslim community or halal environment was being promoted, which was violating the basic rules of the constitution. BJP MLAs are also raising voice for all the people that everyone has right to live anywhere, and BJP MLA Atul Bhatkarkar has now written a letter to Chief Minister to address these concerns that such kind of advertisements should not be.
Well, it seems that this developer was forced to take action and has now removed the controversial advertisement or this poster. But there has been another development that has happened in this case. The National Human Rights Commission, the NHRC, which has also taken cognizance of this matter. As far as when it comes to NHRC member is also concerned, they have been demanding action. Now, in the meantime, let's talk about exactly this. Seems to be not only the project that seems to be promoting halal environment. There are other projects as well that Rucha just mentioned coming up in Mira Road in Thane, where similar attempts that have been made to attract people coming from a specific community. Exactly when it comes to talking about a proximity to a mosque or a Qurbani space, this seems to be the advertisement that seems to be going across to the people of a certain community to purchase the houses.
After Negal in Maharashtra, another project in Mira Road, which is adjacent to Mumbai, is under the controversy. I am here at Mira Road, and you can see this project by Oasis Lina Group, which is under construction, and you can clearly see an advertisement and hoarding here, which showcases a family which is praying, and more importantly, it says Qibla facing view. That is a west facing view. Qibla facing means a direction where you pay prayers, namaz, especially in the Muslim tradition, where the Kaaba Sharif is located in Makkah. But this doesn't say that the east-west facing normally, or it doesn't mention that even Hindus pray in the same direction, but very specifically it is mentioning only about one particular religion. So this is under question, and now this may also spark another controversy that there are many more projects in around Mumbai which are catering. The question is, are they catering only to a specific religion? BJP is also raising a question on such ads. NHRC, that is National Human Rights, has also issued a notice to Maharashtra government seeking some action. So we have to see that this another project may also spark more controversy, and this is not the only project in Mira Road. There are several other projects which are under the controversy with the same kind of ads which hint that the projects are specially designed only to serve a particular people from specific religion.
एक भारत की आर्थिक राजधानी ऐसा मुंबई, और यहाँ पर सभी लोग पूरी आजादी के साथ और पूरी सुविधा के साथ रह सकते, इस प्रकार का मुंबई ये शहर माना जाता है। सभी भाषा भाषी, सभी धर्मों के लोग अपनी अपनी सुविधा से अपने अपने क्षमता के अनुसार अर्जन करते हैं, और आर्थिक राजधानी के ऊपर यह जो आक्रमण है गजवाए हिंद का, यह मुंबई की जनता बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी।
Well, as Rakesh mentioned, as far as when it comes to the involvement of the NHRC now, which has also taken cognizance and has been calling it as a bid to fuel division, notice that has now been issued to the Maharashtra government.
हमारे पास सह्याद्री राइट्स फोरम नामक एक एनजीओ से शिकायत आई है। उन्होंने बताया है कि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के महाराष्ट्र में मुसलमानों की अलग बस्तियां बसाई जा रही हैं, अलग टाउनशिप बसाई जा रही हैं। हम महाराष्ट्र सरकार को नोटिस करके सवाल पूछने जा रहे हैं, क्या रेरा, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट इस तरीके के घेटोस की बस्तियां बनाने की परमिशन दे रहा है? क्या छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के महाराष्ट्र में हम धर्म के आधार पर बस्तियां बसाएंगे? ये फिर कहोगे लोकल ट्रेन का ड्राइवर मुसलमान चाहिए, तो ऐसे ऐसे करके तो तुम एक दिन कहोगे कि महाराष्ट्र में अलग मुस्लिम राज्य चाहिए। ये सेकुलर प्रिंसिपल्स पे भारत के संविधान के अनुसार चलने वाले महाराष्ट्र में हम होने नहीं देंगे। भारत का संविधान सेकुलर प्रिंसिपल्स में अपनी आस्था को स्पष्ट करता है।
Well, there seems to be a concern that has now been highlighted about a development project coming up near Mumbai.